Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy F23, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold the application for a while and drag this app to another one. And as you can see here, we got the new device home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here one more application, and also we can add a couple of applications at the same time. Just click here to the plus icon and select the applications that you want to add to your folder. For example, we'll add the 5 more apps, then just click here to done, and as you can see, we'll just successfully add here the 5 more apps to our home screen folder. Also, we can here change the name of our device, for example the apps. Then just click to done, and as you can see, we just successfully renamed our device folder. If you want, we can also move this folder here off the screen. Just hold for a while and drag it here, for example on the left down corner, or also we can move this folder here on the screen, and we can create the new screen with this folder. And just to remove some applications from our folder, you should hold for a while the app and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, or also we can just select a couple of applications at the same time and we can click here to remove icon. But don't worry, this or just only one application we can remove. Don't worry, we'll remove these apps only from the home screen, but they will stay in our apps menu here. As can you see, we got here the messages where the messages here, and these our all of applications, they are here. And if you want, you can also just select for example these 2 or 3 applications, and you create the new folder by the same way. So that's it. That's how to create home screen folders on our Samsung Galaxy F23. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.